Here are 100 completely new sentences, each repeated twice. Welcome to JAS or classes. Listen carefully, repeat each sentence twice, and improve your spoken English. Did you sleep well last night? Did you sleep well last night? I need 5 more minutes. I need 5 more minutes. The alarm did not ring. The alarm did not ring. Please draw the curtains. Please draw the curtains. The floor is still wet. The floor is still wet. My clothes are in the cupboard. My clothes are in the cupboard. I cannot find my wallet. I cannot find my wallet. Have you seen my glasses? Have you seen my glasses? The water is getting cold. The water is getting cold. Please hang the towel outside. Please hang the towel outside. I have to catch an early train. I have to catch an early train. My office starts at 9. My office starts at 9. I packed my lunch already. I packed my lunch already. Please check the front door. Please check the front door. I left the keys on the table. I left the keys on the table. The elevator is not working. The elevator is not working. Let's use the stairs. Let's use the stairs. I'm running out of time. I'm running out of time. We can talk on the way. We can talk on the way. I'll see you after work. I'll see you after work. This chair is very comfortable. This chair is very comfortable. Please move a little closer. Please move a little closer. There is enough space here. There is enough space here. Could you lower your voice? Could you lower your voice? Someone is waiting at the door. Someone is waiting at the door. Please ask them to come in. Please ask them to come in. I'll be ready in a minute. I'll be ready in a minute. The room needs more light. The room needs more light. Let's open the curtains. Let's open the curtains. Please put your shoes outside. Please put your shoes outside. The washing machine has stopped. The washing machine has stopped. These clothes are still damp. These clothes are still damp. I need to fold the laundry. I need to fold the laundry. The cupboard is full. The cupboard is full. Put the books on the shelf. Put the books on the shelf. Please water the plants. Please water the plants. The dustbin is full. The dustbin is full. I'll take the trash out. I'll take the trash out. The tap is leaking again. The tap is leaking again. We should call a plumber. We should call a plumber. I need to book an appointment. I need to book an appointment. What time is convenient for you? What time is convenient for you? Are you available this afternoon? Are you available this afternoon? I have another meeting at 4. I have another meeting at 4. Can we move it to Friday? Can we move it to Friday? I'll confirm the time later. I'll confirm the time later. Please send me the address. Please send me the address. I have saved your number. I have saved your number. The line is busy. The line is busy. Your voice is breaking up. Your voice is breaking up. Cannot hear you clearly. Cannot hear you clearly. Let's continue this conversation later. Let's continue this conversation later. I'll send you a voice message. I'll send you a voice message. Please check your email. Please check your email. I have attached the document. I have attached the document. The file is too large. The file is too large. Try sending it again. Try sending it again. I received it just now. I received it just now. Thank you for the update. Thank you for the update. I'll reply as soon as possible. I'll reply as soon as possible. Which one do you recommend? Which one do you recommend? I'm just looking around. I'm just looking around. Do you have this in black? Do you have this in black? This color suits you well. This color suits you well. The size fits perfectly. The size fits perfectly. I would like to exchange this. I would like to exchange this. Is there a warranty on this? Is there a warranty on this? The price seems reasonable. The price seems reasonable. Can you pack this separately? Can you pack this separately? I need a carry bag. I need a carry bag. The billing counter is over there. The billing counter is over there. Please scan this item again. Please scan this item again. I think the total is incorrect. I think the total is incorrect. Could you check the bill once more? Could you check the bill once more? I paid in cash. I paid in cash. The payment did not go through. The payment did not go through. Please try another card. Please try another card. I need to withdraw some money. I need to withdraw some money. Where is the nearest ATM? Where is the nearest ATM? The machine is out of service. The machine is out of service. I'm looking forward to the weekend. I'm looking forward to the weekend. We haven't decided yet. We haven't decided yet. Let's plan something simple. Let's plan something simple. I would rather stay at home. I would rather stay at home. We can watch a movie together. We can watch a movie together. What kind of movies do you like? What kind of movies do you like? I prefer comedies. I prefer comedies. This show is worth watching. This show is worth watching. Please don't spoil the ending. Please don't spoil the ending. I have already seen this episode. I have already seen this episode. Let's change the channel. Let's change the channel. The remote is on the sofa. The remote is on the sofa. The sound is too low. The sound is too low. Pause it for a moment. Pause it for a moment. I need to answer this call. I need to answer this call. We can continue afterward. We can continue afterward. Today was quite busy. Today was quite busy. I'm ready to go to bed. I'm ready to go to bed. Set the alarm for 6. Set the alarm for 6. Good night and sleep well. Good night and sleep well. Thank you for learning with Josser classes. Practice these sentences every day to improve your spoken English. Like, share, and subscribe for more useful English lessons. See you in the next class.